10 characteristics of successful engineers. Engineers are the inventors, designers, analyzers and builders of our modern age. They create the machines, structures and systems we use on a daily basis. The constraints of physics, the confines of the manufacturing technology of the modern age, the limitations imposed by current material properties, requirements in terms of health and safety and cost, all of these are things that engineers must take into account when designing whatever it is they are working on. Luckily, engineers are trained to recognize and solve these problems, but in order to recognize and solve them, engineers have to have a very particular set of skills acquired over a long career, skills that make engineers a nightmare for anything these problems might throw at them. But what are these skills? Teamwork. Teamwork drives the successful completion of a project. No one can complete a project on their own, they need others to contribute. There are functions that can be performed individually, but more often than not, an engineer will be part of a bigger team and must be able to work well therein. Courtesy and tact goes a long way in building team trust. Project details are often presented to managers and customers, and these interactions may become confrontational. An engineer must understand everybody's position and should not feel attacked, keep team members informed, and always present facts accurately. Continuous learning. Technology and methodologies are constantly changing, and nowhere is this truer than in engineering. A successful engineer is able to keep abreast of the latest technological updates and capable of delivering the best value and quality work. Engineers are curious by nature. They are interested in understanding how things work. This gives them a natural aptitude for learning and allows them to continue building their knowledge. In modern times, technology changes quickly, so it is critical to constantly learn and stay up to date. Successful engineers never assume they know everything. Creativity. It may sound cliched, but successful engineers have an innate ability to think outside the box. The engineering industry runs on the ability to creatively solve problems. Engineers able to bring passion, creative solutions and big ideas to the table are more valuable as businesses depend on creativity to efficiently resolve problems or improve the efficiency of existing systems and processes. Simultaneously, a successful engineer needs to be attentive to practicality when proposing a creative solution which entails being creative in itself. Problem solving. Any project, no matter how big or small, will face problems. An engineer must be able to effectively address these as they arise. They must meticulously study the problem, fully understand the impact it has on the project, and then apply their analytical skills in a methodical and efficient way in order to identify the root cause. To effectively solve problems, an engineer must also have the ability to truly listen to the problem owner. By attentively listening, an engineer is able to fully comprehend what the problem consists of and provide solutions from a well-informed standpoint. Analytical ability. The ability to effectively solve problems goes hand in hand with the ability to properly analyze problems. Engineers are required to think analytically in order to create solutions. Analyzing a project scope or product specification ensures that an engineer fully understands the relevant requirements and efficiently applies resources to achieve the optimal outcome. Various methodologies may have to be tested before committing resources to guarantee a successful solution. Communication skills. Communication is more than reading, writing, speaking or listening. For an engineer, it means the ability to not only understand technical complexities, but the ability to succinctly and effectively translate technical jargon into layman's terms without patronizing others. Engineers communicate with people at many different levels, from unskilled workers to directors. The ability to communicate in a respectful, clear and concise manner is critical to ensure that the core message is effectively relayed. New Engineer Handbook: The Ultimate Guide to Success for Engineers. Logical thinking. To fully comprehend complex systems, an engineer must understand all aspects of the system. An engineer must know how the system works, what can go wrong, and how to fix it. This requires an ability to think logically and evaluate and understand each element that makes it up. Successful engineers are naturally curious and always looking for ways to make things better. They have to be able to analyze an existing system to understand how the different pieces work individually and as a unit. Attention to detail. Successful engineers pay meticulous attention to the smallest of details. They understand that the slightest error may cause a structure to fail, a system to malfunction, or software to glitch. The smallest error can cost a significant amount of money or, in some cases, be fatal. Complex projects may have a large number of steps to complete, and having one tiny thing out of place may delay an entire project. Being detail-orientated during the planning and development phases is pivotal for overall success. Successful engineers know that their success depends on their ability to control the details. Never assume something is too small or insignificant to care about. Mathematical ability. Software has replaced almost all of the complex derivative equations engineers used to do manually. Even though engineers are no longer required to do these complex calculations themselves, it doesn't mean that, to be successful, they don't have to possess excellent mathematical skills. Engineers must be well-versed in trigonometry and calculus in order to use software packages and be able to interpret the results derived from them. They must be able to understand the type of calculations required to ensure the correct type of simulation is performed, and that models are correctly defined when performing simulations. Leadership. Leadership ability encompasses many of the characteristics already mentioned on this list. But being a leader is far more than this. It also requires excellent interpersonal skills and an ability to inspire and motivate others to drive a team to achieve success. Sure, a successful engineer needs to tick all the engineering hard skills boxes listed above, like maths knowledge and analytical ability, but they also need well-developed soft skills so they can smoothly perform non-technical duties. People who are charismatic, articulate and friendly are normally well-liked and are able to easily garner support. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.
Let's go and build stronger teams. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.